IDs, how you doing? It's Professor Ryan, and I'm here to officially announce that I'm assuming my new role as Online Learning Director. Um, and I'm pleased to let you know or inform you that by the second week in December, we're going to be rolling out four brand new two-module courses that are going to be developed by each one of you. So that's pretty exciting stuff. You may have noticed that in your inbox there's a memo that's from me that's kind of outlining what we're going to be doing over the next 10 weeks and how we're going to develop these courses. Basically, what's going to happen is the class has been broken up into four groups of two, four teams of two. So you're going to be working with your partner to develop a two-module course, and the memo kind of outlines, how things are going to go, at least on the first part of it. And what you're going to do basically over the next 10 days or so is you're going to meet with your partner. You're going to have a kickoff meeting, and of course you can meet in any way you want, but you got a number of deliverables you need to accomplish over that course of that time, and one of which is to file a project plan. And then the second part is, well, actually, it's going to happen. That's actually going to happen over the next several weeks. But we're going to be filing two progress reports just to as a way of monitoring our progress and keeping on track and staying on the schedule and things like that. All things that instructional designers deal with all the time. So you should be pretty excited about that. And you may be wondering, well, how are we going to do all this? How's this going to work? Well, over the next couple days, you're going to see that you've been invited to a Blackboard course shell that's basically empty. And what you're going to do is you're going to build your course within that. And it's built with a template that looks very much like the one that we have for IDM 532. But depending on what you plan to do, you can alter it to your pleasing. It's really completely up to you. The second piece there is that within our course space, you've been set up with group tools, which means that you and your partner are going to have a number of tool items that you can use to assist you in developing your course and communicating and so forth. So in there, you're going to see that you have your own private group discussion board that you use to interact between the two of you. You'll have a wiki options if you choose to use that. There's an email option there. So it's really up to you whether you want to use those tools, or you can kind of go with Skype. You can go with phone or any of the tools that you know of or that you use frequently, that you make it for free online or whatever. So basically, that's how we're going to do it, and it should be really, really, really exciting stuff. So go in, have a look at that email, read it through. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Go to the QA forum. If there's specific questions to me, make sure you email me. And that's worked out really well. I've had a number of notifications both on the QA forum and with the email and so forth, where I've made mistakes, and that's quite okay. I appreciate your patience with running this course for the first time, but that's worked out pretty well on my end. I hope it's been okay for y'all. But anyway, good luck. Get yourself started. You'll see that the memo's there, and I'm opening up some other things that you haven't seen quite yet in Module 4 for yourself. So have a great second half of the week, and we'll see you online.